Okay, YouTube, welcome to Aaron's drunk vacuum review. This is a carpet cleaner thing. This is gonna be really hard to keep up with, I'm sorry. Because I watched a ton of videos trying to figure out how to make this thing work properly, and it was stupid. It was everybody going straight to the cleaning part. It's obvious once you got the thing set up how to use it. Let me grab this model number. FH50150. How to get started is this video. So, you obviously unbox it like I did many weeks ago. I'm finally ready to use it. You take this top container off that you can't see, that's not there. It's not there. And you take it to presumably your counter. Boop, boop, boop. I better turn on the light. And this is where you would put your cleaner that I don't have to show you, because I guess I already, oh no, I did already put it in here. It goes into this one. Boop. It's a solution. It comes with one container of solution. You obviously want to buy another one, or you get a combo package that has them in it. This one is the water container opening. Conveniently, I have the water running nice and warm. So let's go ahead and fill this sucker up. Whoop. Yeah. It's so thirsty. There it goes. Getting nice and full of hot water. Take your time. It has a convenient fill line on here. Let's not overfill it. Ta-da! Let's go throw this sucker on our machine. Come on, asshole. Oh, so it's best just to set it down and then click it in. As I just figured that thing out. This down here is your yucky water container, I'll call it. You dump that in your trash can. It can't be that hard to figure it out. I'm not gonna show you all the attachments and crap, because everybody keeps starting to show you that stuff, and most of us just really want to clean our carpet. So let's start with that. I'm gonna not take too long. I'm gonna try to make this at 5 minutes. So let's make this quick. There's a stain. Let's see if we can take it out. Ready? Set? Let's go. Power! Tilt. Not tilt. Handle release. Yes. Tilt. Same thing. Pull the trigger for liquid of cleaningness. And then just keep vacuum moving to move the vacuum. Whew. I'm assuming you'd want to take down the whole area, but I'm just trying to take down this one fucking spot. I mean, spot of dirtiness. Adding more cleaner. Adding more cleaner. Okay, it's gonna be under 6 minutes. My bad. You gotta excuse, I've had a little beverage. Alright, I'm not gonna add any more cleaner. I promise. I promise. Alright. I'm just vacuuming. I'm just sucking up the cleaner I put on there. Alright, I lied. I'm adding more cleaner because I think it's not... It's a pretty bad stain. My kids are... Well, they're kids. I hope you like my background music. Background music provided by Google Play and Spotify. Alright, let's check out our stain. If anybody out there on YouTube is watching, I apologize because this is Aaron's drunk reviews. My bad! Why don't y'all just watch me make this review and hold my beer? I don't drink too much beer anymore. It's a little, it's a story. Anyways, oh damn it, it's over 6 minutes. Alright, now we're going on 7 minutes. Alright, under 7 minutes. Let's check out what my vacuuming is. I really don't know how long I should vacuum over after I sprayed. I didn't watch enough of the reviews. They were boring, and I was too, let's just say, can't pay attention. Alright, here goes nothing. I'm going to turn this thing off. You use a little toe, and you press this. Whoop. Let's check my stain. It wasn't a big stain, but it was a stain. And that motherfucker is gone. It is just gone. It's like it didn't exist. Now, there's other stains, but I didn't clean those yet. That's next. So, let's see. I'll scan it for you and show you later. Maybe I don't want to show you. Maybe I won't show you. I don't know. Who knows? When that color wears off, I'll probably just delete this shit. Or I'll make a different one. Depends on if I get any views at all. Oh, shit. I step on the carpet. It almost feels fucking dry. That's weird. I can feel the dampness, but it's not, like, soaked. I had an old one that sucked, and it left the carpet really wet feeling. This is nice. There's a few stains. I may show you if I care, but I really don't care because I've had a little too much, and maybe I'll have a little more, but nobody else is in the house, so I don't really care. I do what I want. I do what I want. I will do what I want. Okay, well, anyways, I might come back and show you more. I'm gonna stop this now. I really don't care. Bye. Oh, by the way, yeah, I liked it. Oh, damn it, it's 8 minutes. Damn it. But so far, I like what I see in this machine. It's pretty handy. I'm sorry to my family who probably follows my channel. Yes, I drink a little bit some random times, very rare. Again, this is a FH50150. Hoover? It's a Hoover, right? Spin Scrub 50? Yes, definitely Hoover. Thank you, YouTube, maybe. Or not. Or I just helped somebody out there. The most important part was probably the first minute. Maybe the second. Bye!